brain's language into something a computer can understand. Now let's imagine we're using a BCI for music composition. The machine learning algorithm would need to be trained to recognize the brain signals associated with thinking about specific musical elements. For instance, if you think of a C note, the algorithm should recognize the unique pattern of brain activity associated with that thought. Once the algorithm recognizes a specific thought, it translates this into a command for an external device. In our case, this would be a digital instrument. So if the algorithm recognizes the brain activity for a C note, it would instruct the digital instrument to play a C note. This is a simplified explanation of an incredibly complex process, but it gives you an idea of how BCIs work. Each stage, from picking up brain signals to interpreting them and translating them into commands, requires a great deal of precise science and technology. So by simply thinking about a melody, a rhythm, or a beat, you could potentially create a whole symphony. The future of music with brain-computer interfaces looks exciting, doesn't it? Imagine a world where we can compose melodies with our minds, where our thoughts become the notes that resonate in our ears. This is not a distant reality, but a potential future that brain-computer interfaces may bring. This technology could open up a new realm of possibilities for music creation. It could revolutionize the way we create music, especially for those with physical disabilities who may struggle with traditional instruments. Imagine the joy of creating a symphony just with your thoughts. However, there are challenges that need to be addressed. Making the technology more accessible and cost-effective is a significant hurdle. Moreover, improving the accuracy of brain signal interpretation is a complex task that researchers are continually working on. Who knows? The next Mozart could be composing symphonies with their mind. The future looks exciting, and we can't wait to see where this technology takes us. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the world of technology and music.